Hi, now let's make some blueberry pie. So everybody makes apple pie, but I like blueberry pie. Let's not be that traditional. So for this one also I'm using a store-bought pie crust, which works very well. If you want to do a pie crust by yourself from scratch, you can do that too, but these work perfectly too. So they come in two, and I'm using a 9-inch pie dish too. So what we do, I'm going to open one of them and put it in my pie dish first. Okay, just like this. You put it down and press it gently. And we are going to cook this for like 10 minutes on 400 degrees and get to our blueberry. Okay, so now that we got the pie crust going, we are going to start working on the filling. For filling, I have 4 cups of blueberries, very nice and fresh blueberries. I'm going to add 5 teaspoons of cornstarch. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half teaspoon of salt. And 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And we mix this. We mix this and let them stay for like 30 minutes to get all the juices out. So while we are waiting for this, we are going to work on our crust. Okay, our crust is ready, and our blueberries are good too. They got a little mix, so we are going to pour this in our pie crust. And okay, just little level them nice. Okay, now remember we had 2 pieces of pie dough. This one we are gonna just open the dough slowly because we don't want to cut it, and we are going to cut these in stripes. And we'll put this on top of our pie, just like this. This is a little thick. Okay. We'll put another one on top of them. Now, we are gonna beat 1 large egg with a little water. I'm going to brush them over on our stripes. So this is how our pie looks like. So we are going to put this in the freezer for 10 minutes. Then we will put it in the oven. So let's put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Okay, our pie is chilled. So we are going to cook this on 400 degrees for 5 minutes and then turn it to 375 and cook it for 90 minutes, an hour and a half. But after 1 hour, you check it to make sure if it's too brown or burning, then you have to check, make sure it's done. Otherwise, an hour and a half on 375, it would be nice and golden. Voila! Look how beautiful these pies and cornbreads are. Look, beautiful. And the pumpkin pie, we can add some. Ooh, ooh. Some whipping cream on it too. And this is the pumpkin pie. It's so hot already. We have to let it cool down. It smells so good.
That's not pumpkin pie. It's blueberry pie.
Yeah, blueberry pie, pumpkin pie, cornbread, and I think we have our Thanksgiving dinner, complete. Except the flowers, which I'm gonna work on them tomorrow, and I'll show you how to make some flower arrangement and centerpieces for your Thanksgiving dinner table. So I hope you make these pies and enjoy as much as I'm going to enjoy it. And I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.